Okay, this has been clamped up for about a day and a half. So let's go ahead and take the clamps off and see what it looks like. All right, that's pretty good. It's actually nice and straight. All the edges that were loose are now nice and solid. Nice and solid. Look at that. That's that dark glue. This is a little bit of seepage. Look how dark that got. Never used that before. It's interesting. Wonder how that'll look after it's sanded down. Here's side B and side A. Side A was the overwhelming winner of the which side do you prefer poll. So yeah, that's good looking. Still need to do some cleanup. I don't want to sand this down too much though, because I don't want to get rid of those saw marks. And I kind of like the gray patina that it got just sitting out in the side of the road or in a field, wherever it's been laying for so long. But yeah, that's going to make a nice little shelf. So next, I'm going to get some epoxy and like fill these knots, maybe fill this gap, maybe fill this a little bit better. I don't know that I want to fill these nail holes. I kind of like those, but some of these other ridges and whatnot, I'm going to fill those with epoxy. Maybe this knot hole. And then I'll round over the edges. I'm going to leave this back edge untouched. I don't want to round that over because I want it to sit up against the wall nice. But I'll round over these a little bit more. Sand it up a little bit more. Got a couple of places here that I'll probably have to sand down a little bit more. But I like these little flaws on the edge. It's not really live edge, but next best thing, I guess. All right, well, it's late at night, so I'm not going to do anything on this today. I'll probably maybe work on it a little bit tomorrow. But I've got 5 coats of paint on these, and they're looking really nice. Nice and smooth, no runs. They look really nice. We'll see how those are going to look It's probably going to be more like that. Yeah, I'm going to like that. All right, next step is to put some epoxy in those holes and crevices. Do a little bit more sanding and finishing, and then put some kind of a coat on it. All right, guys, I'm gonna either show how easy it is to use epoxy, or I'm gonna completely destroy this piece of 100-year-old lumber. But let's go ahead and get to it. All right, guys, it was easy enough to mix, easy enough to apply. We'll see how it comes out. Looks like I'm going to have a little bit of sanding to do. Hopefully I can sand off enough of that without damaging the the saw marks. But I am going to be putting a finish over this anyway, so I kind of like the look of that. All right, so now let it dry overnight and we'll see how it goes.